Welcome to our channel Ayushi Aditi Card Zone. Today we are going to learn paper cake for explosion box. Let us see the demo first. Before moving on to the tutorial, please take a moment to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified about our new videos. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. Take a cardstock or pastel sheet and cut that into a circle of 5 cm radius each. Now cut two rectangular sheets of size 5.5 cm into 29.6 cm each. Now draw 1 cm wide line on rectangular sheets as shown here. Next you have to glue both the sheets together. Cut that 1 cm wide space into smaller pieces as shown here. You have to cut the whole rectangular sheet into smaller pieces on both the ends and start folding it with your fingers. Now bend it into a circular motion. Glue it all over the boundary of the circle, that is, circumference of the circle. Put the ribbon to the bottom of each layer. Now glue each layer one by one. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed the tutorial. Click on the screen to watch more videos.